All right, it should be about 2 to 4 p.m. Christmas Day, and it's time for a cocktail. So we have the Dirty Snowball. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notification. I don't really have time to do the pleasantries. So we have 1 shot of creme de coco, 1 shot of Irish cream, and 1 shot of a coffee liqueur, kind of like Kahlua or your favorite brand. And that's it. The Dirty Snowball. Done. Perfect for that Christmas afternoon after you've put all the toys together and you realize you have to spend the rest of the day with the family.